a start on it here before we.
I'm gonna go run down to the lake and try to catch a thunder.
Let's Evelyn and.
Yeah, you guys can head start it. I think I'll set this camera up, catch the hail coming in while I get the rest of this stuff packed up, and then I'll come grab it all. There's the wind coming in. Wow. Woo. Oh. Yeah. Set this up where it won't fall over, hopefully. Well, I was hoping for that one more waterside thunderclap and got it. And everything's starting to flood. We've got little streams of water collecting and pouring down. That's awesome. Love it. I love it. All right, let's catch up. I'm gonna go ahead and start jogging down. See if I can catch up to him. I imagine Evelyn's gonna be moving pretty slowly with all the wet granite, so she doesn't get injured. So I should be able to catch up, even though they've got a 10-minute head start. Okay, gonna break down this fire and let her go ahead and smolder out. There we go. That should do it. Okay. I must say, this is one cool spot. So you could put a small tent in this area. So I knew inclement weather was coming, but I was not expecting sleet and wind to that degree. But man, we picked it. What a perfect time. That's beautiful. Oop. See? These stupid shoes. I love it. That's just silly. How much of this? Oh, it got washed out. These shoes. Told you I heard voices.
We're afraid you were a grub.
Yeah. Killer attack grouse.
Yeah, we have a sparrow up ahead. Down the trail, she's walking for me.
Told you I'd catch him.
Oh, you would.